Uh, Today we'll discuss about the new process planning, that is a generative process planning. But you can refer my first lecture about the computer-aided process planning. In that we have discussed first one, and that lecture is available on the Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel. So first one was the retrieval type of process planning, and second one is the generative process planning. In this type, we wish create a plan by means of a decision logic of formalized geometry based data as a logical procedure. In this method, a process plan are prepared without the assistance of human and predefined plans. The computer would employ a set of algorithms to process through the various technical and logical decisions toward the final plan for manufacturing. After retrieving this information, the system can generate the required process and a process sequence for the work part. The pure generative system can produce a complete process plan from GT group technology code with the part classification and design that you can see in this. We are using the computer system, whole computer system that has some algorithm and technical relationship, and that actually we have prepared a software or the program, and we gave input to the program or any software. It will give you the complete solution about the process planning, and you will get the work part. You can see it is a schematic diagram. See here we have user and description of the part on code. It is sent to the technical and logical decision maker, and it will generate a process plan for your requirement. There is a generative type CAPP system. Two major component in generative type, that is geometry description and coding component, and second the process knowledge database and decision making logic. So you can see the computer will decide your process plan and routing system route sheet. So in that you should prepare that program very accurately, otherwise you will get the very wrong result in each and every part file. So before generating the process planning, you should take care of each and everything in the computer program. So you can refer this diagram and you will get some idea, like specification and capability, the knowledge acquisition and knowledge base, and that is interference system. Here we have a selection process, selection of machine tool, geometric definition from CAD, and rest of the thing you can check. But in generative type, you can understand that you require some programming knowledge also. Then and then you can generate that CAPP system. Now third one is the hybrid CAPP system. Actually hybrid is a combination of the two. The first one is a retrieval type CAPP, additional features of generative types. So both the CAPP system is combined together, and it is actually used for generate the hybrid CAPP system. The generative mode can be used to create a process plan from scratch to the maximize extent possible, and then variant generative mode can be used to create a process plan from scratch to the maximum extent possible, and then the variant mode can be used to fill in the remaining details. The variant mode can be used to retrieve the general process plan, and then generative mode can be used to modify it. For complicated part features, the generative mode can be used, while for simple and moderate part features, the variant mode can be used. Process planning system. here you can see we have a 3 types: variant CAPP, generative CAPP, and hybrid CAPP. And there are lots of softwares available in the market, so you can use this software to create the process planning system, and it will also actually reduce your